Hello, hello. Welcome back to We Us TV. Okay, this is Daddy, Richie B. Today what I'm gonna be making is a simple, spicy guacamole recipe. My family, my kids, my wife, everybody loves it spicy. Well, not my wife so much, but the majority wins. So we make it spicy in this house. Okay, what we got to start off with, obviously you need utensils. So I got 2 forks because I like to taste it. One to mix, one to taste. I have a knife. This is a ½ teaspoon that I use. Red onion, 2 tomatoes, 4 limes, but we probably won't use all those. And cilantro, we definitely won't use all of that. 3 Hass avocados. We just already went ahead and took the seed out and have it ready for the sake of time. Black pepper, onion powder, red pepper, cayenne pepper. Hey guys, quiet down, I'm making a video. Himalayan sea salt, the pink kind. All right, first off, as you can see, the avocado, I'm gonna push those out of the way so you guys can really see what I'm doing. Move the spices out of the way. Okay, I'm just starting by cutting the limes in half. These are, forgot to tell you, but these are key limes. We like to use key limes because they have a real bitter taste. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these limes and we'll move on from there. Okay, as you can see, I have the limes already cut and the seeds taken out. From there, I go ahead and I went ahead and cut up 3 limes to start. I cut up 3 limes because we got 3 avocados here. We like lime in this house. I put the lime on top first because it preserves the avocado prevents the avocado from turning brown so fast. That happens a lot with avocados and bananas. Next up is going to be the onion. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use half of this onion. Use a big half. Some and stop. Just trying to cut it as small as possible without it being too small. All right, onions done. Okay, with this cilantro, I'm gonna start by taking half. That should work. This recipe is pretty much similar to the way I typically make it all the time. Taste varies a little bit just depending on what's available in our house. I'll cut the stems off a little bit. Put those aside. Now this is already washed, so make sure yours is washed. You want to cut that up. I'm not a chef, but I don't want to cut myself, so I'm fast but slow, if that makes sense. Okay, next up, I'm gonna add some of the spices. Just a little bit of fresh black pepper. Do that 3 times, basically once for every avocado. We'll take care of the cayenne last. It doesn't really have to be in any kind of order. Okay, we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. We'll come back to that and taste it later. We don't want to make it too salty. Onion powder. I'm gonna go ahead and put 1/2 teaspoon of that as well. Next up, cayenne pepper, red pepper, whatever you call it, crushed red pepper. Do a little bit more than 1/2 teaspoon of that. Okay, I was going to use a fork to mix this. I'm going to use this spatula to basically smash and mix. All right, I'll use both. All right, next up is tomato. The reason why I did not add that first is because we want chunks of tomato. We don't want the tomato to be mashed. So this is done after. My wife liked the skin off the tomato, so she already did that part. Normally when you leave the skin on, it has more texture, obviously, but since it's off, this is what we have. All right, I'm gonna mix this one more time, lightly, see what it looks like. Get my taste spoon. I'm gonna taste it. Cut this last tomato. We'll be just about done. All right, I'm gonna salt those a little bit. Put a little bit more cayenne on there. So a little sprinkle. A little bit more pepper. Mix it up. I'm gonna skip the onion because the onion tastes pretty good. Okay, here we go. Be back to show you the finished result. Okay, so now we're back with the final result. As you can tell, it looks good because it's all natural. There's nothing about this that is out of the package. This is from the market. To the clean fork, to the first person who want to taste. You want to taste something? You want to taste it? Ready? Uh-oh.
Yum.
You like it? You want to taste it next? Who wants to taste it next?
Me.
All right, we're gonna use the same spoon. Y'all get it. If you want to keep the germs down, for people who don't live with you, have them get their own fork. Good?
Me.
You want some too?
Yeah.
Okay, come. Come. Good? Mama, you want to taste it?
No,
Not right now. A little bit more. You want more? Say yes.
Yes. No. Papa.
Come.
Me.
All right. You all get the hang of it. It's good. It's verified. Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Really? Can I give you something?
Rainier, thumbs up, thumbs down. Double thumbs up. How many thumbs up you gonna give it, Rainier? One? What about two? What about two? One? You gonna give it two? Show me two.
Two.
One,
One,
two.
two.
And we're done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to achieve the most number of subscribers who are interested in our content. Don't be afraid to hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel. And we will see you on the next video. What's the goal, baby? How many subscribers we need to get by the end of the month? Because I think we're at 0.
I know. We need at least 15.
We need 15. 15 subscribers.
Me too.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.